uh, that is the chess game. In that game, definitely all of you, you would have played with the computer. The user will be end users, and the system will be playing with us. How for one move it will system will give you the opposite move. That is totally based on the algorithms given to the system. That is the starting stage of AI. Then 1980 to 1988, AI in industry. Uh, you starting it started commercial expert system. When any invention comes to commercial, then only it will become it will have more limelight. So telephone services, they have used AI for diagnosing the failures of the telephone service. That is the when it has come to the industry, AI has come to the industry. Then from 1990s to the present, it increases the computational power. When computers have become fast and the memory has become more, it was very easy for the inventors to implement our AI algorithms. Here I already explained about the computer chess. That is the first stage of AI where AI is implemented. Here you can see these are all the examples, but not only in chess game. AI, we have the inventors, the scientists, they have implemented in speech systems like movie ticket reservations by phone. Then by speech you can give what is your query, then your system will respond. You talk into the your voice will be the input. It will under the system will understand, then it will give you the result accordingly. Then vision systems, this is one of the area of where AI is implemented. Face recognition system, automated driving, visual tracking systems, everything. I would like to point out Tesla released recently the automated cars. All the big companies are invested in this product. How this will be taking to our future? Driverless cars. So how the areas, how the turnings, curves, the vision, how it will capture the road and the map, everything is imbibed in one system. That is only this Tesla cars. It will take the mapping from mapping this area, then indicators and the signboards, everything will be captured. Accordingly the cars will move. So overall the whole algorithm is implemented in this project. Yes, these are all the main artificial intelligence technology. Here you can see, when we talk about artificial intelligence, definitely we cannot leave machine learning, deep learning, autonomous systems. First of all, artificial intelligence, we would like to use it mainly in autonomous systems. Without any manpower, it should work. So it is linked together. You can see the levels. It is neural networks is implemented. Then pattern recognition, wherever you go nowadays, we are using biometric. Then your eye blinking system, everything will be captured. Then natural language processing, NLP. Then chatbots is nowadays definitely you'd have experienced in so many websites that chatbots, if you give a query, any institutional websites also, there is chatbot is available in the website. Whatever query you are giving related to it, whatever the answers, it will figure it out and it will respond to you. That chatbot facility in the earlier websites we weren't using. that is the imbibed with artificial intelligence. Then real time emotion analytics, you can find out what is the mood swing, happy or sad or whatever the mood, that is the real time emotion analytics. Then virtual companions, if you take the VR, virtual reality, definitely our metaverse is coming up. Metaverse is nothing but the like Earth. They are going to build the virtual world next. In that, like us only, all the characters will be there. It is like going to be the virtual world actually. That will be very nice for the upcoming our generation. uh, Virtual reality, again, it's an ocean you can use. We are going to experience in next 10 years, that we will wait and see. Then real time universal translation, thought controlled gaming, your artificial intelligence is one of the vital role in gaming. Then next generation cloud robotics also, without these fields we cannot think about artificial intelligence. Autonomous surgical robots, instead of human making the surgical operations, robots will do it according the program. So there won't be any human element in the surgery. Everything is programmed and it will be so easy for the patients, for the human being. Robotic personal assistant, this will be wonderful when we talk about PA as the robo. So practically, if you see whatever this is a basic human nature, that whatever we say, the other person should listen to it without questioning it. The same manner your PA, robotic personal assistants, will be working in future. Definitely it will be possible with all the companies. We have to wait and see. Then cyber security is again the vast field. The data, how much data what we are using every day, it should be safe. Then neuromorphing computing, with artificial intelligence will be going to be used in all these areas. It's starting with the autonomous systems and machine learning and deep learning. uh, Accordingly, this areas, we are going to cover how artificial intelligence will be used in. I have taken only the one area, that is web applications, but where and all it can be used, the ultimate phenomenal growth in the artificial intelligence area. Now we will go into our topic, that web applications. AI applications in web development to streamline their daily website management. Definitely, whatever websites so far we have seen, and nowadays, what all the websites are working now, there is a lot change. Future, it will be even more wonderful with the AI applications. Those tools will make your website operations intuitively clear, but turn its online experience more rich and personalized. Here we have to go through this statistics. According to experts, AI will grow into $118.6 billion dollars industry. This is the AI growth in the industry, only industry, not in any other area. By 2025, already we are in 23, another 2 years, AI's growth is $118.6 billion dollars. uh, we can think about the future web applications in using AI. Uh, AI can empower you to enhance your website's appearance, strengthen its search abilities. Definitely search abilities, because of the very best search engine uh, work only, our Google has come to the number one place. So if you implement AI in that search engine, you think how the growth will be. Then improve the interaction with visitors who are all visiting the website. The website should not be like the information giving or taking the information. If the interaction with the users, it will be very good. For that, we are taking the artificial intelligence into our web developments. Then provide personalized user experience and accurately target consumers through the digital marketing. If you take digital marketing is again the very big ocean. There accurately target consumers. Wherever you go, we have in the world, our India is the very good consumer. Also we are number one in consumers. So it will do the analysis how the consumers, what type of products, everything it will do the analytics. With the help of AI, it will be improved to achieve our target consumers. That is the very big support of AI to the industry. Then uh, when the number of designers and developers shifting towards AI based design practices, this is very important. Nowadays, you see the web developers also are implementing the chatbot and other facilities which is used AI to make their websites very interactive and rich, and to interact with the website visitors. Then artificial intelligence has now become an indispensable part of modern web development. Definitely in future our websites will be without artificial intelligence. You cannot imagine our websites like that. It will be. Yes. How this artificial design intelligence, ADI systems, how it has come to our websites. This is the major shift from the normal static websites to our nowadays whatever websites we are using. Definitely, everyone you would have experienced that. We have used the normal online shopping like your Amazon, Myntra, Jabang, Flipkart, everything. Nowadays, just to log into Flipkart, any one product you want to buy, you can see where you want to place the product. There is a provision is available nowadays, but earlier websites, earlier online websites, it wasn't available. That is one part of the artificial design intelligence is implemented according to the innovation and creativity of the web developers. Here you can see the statistics. Nowadays this normal static HTML websites, it won't be there in future. Definitely, according to the recent survey, 61% of business professionals claim machine learning and AI turned out to be their organization's most significant data initiative. In 2025, we have seen how much AI will occupy the industry. In the same manner, in business, how your ADI systems will be using our technology. 61%, that is the recent survey it says. uh, this definitely you would have experienced in any websites you take. That is the chatbot. Earlier we had this BPO services, call centers, they will be answering for our calls, but in future AI powered chatbots will help online businesses. It will save $8 billion worth in business costs by 2022. Still, it is coming. It will be even more high. when the human interaction and the AI chatbots. Definitely, this this when this chatbot has come, all this fabric of traditional website design and whatever the powerful impact on the way the users interact with websites. But moreover, AI based applications have redefined what it means to communicate, producing human like answers, replacing the need for pre programmed conversational pathways. Today's chatbots are based on the advanced NLP, natural language processing systems. What is the use of this NLP? It will be able to generate meaningful conversations. Whatever you are giving the query to the system, based on your query, it will give you the better results in generating your conversation. Some interesting statistics how the chatbots will lead into the online business. This is the statistics. You can see one by one how your chatbots will help you in the online business. Here, one by one, we will see in each and every area. Among the top industries benefiting from AI chatbots is real estate, recording usage of 28%, following by travel at 16%, and education at 14%. This is the statistics on today's. In real estate area, 28% will be used your chatbots. Then in traveling, 16%, and in education, 14%. In the same manner, according to the Gartner report, 85% of customers' interactions by 2020 will be handled by chatbots. Nowadays, what we are using, that is in 2020, already we have reached this usage of chatbots. By 2023, a total of 2.3 billion hours of business and consumers will be saved, though through chatbots. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. Through chatbots. According to the report, Global Market Insights, the overall market size of chatbots will reach 1.3 billion by 2024. Every year, every decade, the use of chatbots and the virtual reality and your AI implementation in the business, it will be keep increasing. That is the importance of AI. Here, this is the difference between how artificial intelligence is on the rise according to the global GDP. Here you can see 14% higher by 2030 because of AI predicts. Then 18% of organizations are regularly using AI. By how? It is given by the Call Credit Information Group. Then 24% of companies are planning to start using AI for fraud prevention in the next 3 years. That is also source from Call Credit Information Group. This values, this diagram, it shows the importance of artificial intelligence in future, how artificial intelligence will be in our day-to-day life. We cannot we cannot leave it. Without that, we cannot leave it. Like that, it will be. Then we will come to the very important area, e-commerce website design. Uh, Definitely, every day we are using our mobiles. We are doing online shopping in our mobile, in our system day to day. If you want a small curry leaves or day to day life milk, also nowadays we are doing e-commerce website, mobile app, so many things, so many apps, application, web applications and mobile applications are available. In this area, how our artificial intelligence is going to make a great change. That is today's topic. You can see how the next generation shopping experience will be. You can see here virtual reality retail in the next generation shopping. In future, whenever we are doing uh, the shopping experience, how the e-commerce websites will be, the websites will give you, it will allow the users to use the products on the customers virtually. Then you can check it out. If you want, you can purchase. It will give you the virtual reality. Really, you are going into the shop and you are picking the dress and you are trying it out. Like that it will be. Like that your e-commerce websites will be. Then our websites, it will give you any websites nowadays whatever we are experiencing. That is, we will be interacting with the messages, with values, like that. But in future your websites will be involved by 3D effects, 3D websites. Like you will be in the center, VR glasses. If you use the website, each and every module, each and every section will be around you. You can experience the 3D effect websites. If you want to ask any doubts, any queries, the real chatbot will be waiting for you to answer your queries, whatever you are experiencing today. By sending the message to the chatbot, it is replying it to you. But in future, the chatbot will be waiting for you in the 3D manner, like a person, like the other person, how you are going to speak. The other person will reply to you. The same manner in the website, in the 3D effect, the other chatbot will reply to you. Like that, it will be. The inventors, the scientists are working on it. Definitely, we are going to experience this 3D websites. Yes, whenever we are talking about 3D websites, we should know the little bit about virtual reality and augmented reality. Definitely, our Facebook, our WhatsApp, everything, Meta company has taken over it. They are building a metaverse. In that metaverse, everything is virtual reality. So how this virtual reality and the augmented reality is going to used in our web applications, that is in our websites, that also we have to uh, implementation of VR and AR. We should know how it is going to be, how the web applications are going to be in future. This virtual reality is a stimulated experience that employs post tracking and 3D near eye displays to give the user an immersive feel of a virtual world. This is nothing but the VR glass. The virtual reality, the VR glasses, it will give you the feel of you are in the galaxy. That this is the example. Without VR glasses, you cannot experience that you are inside the galaxy, like that. If you take it in the other area, augmented reality, a type of technology that allows digital images and information to be displayed on the physical environment. It is nothing but definitely all of us, we have experienced the app called Snapchat. In Snapchat, what kids will be doing, or all of us elders also will be doing, it will different images will be on the user. If we if we use our device, here they have given the example. This is the plain area. In the plain area, if you place this sofa and this items, how it will look like, it will give you the original feel how it will be. But Your physical environment is this the area, the plain area. That's it. So that concept will cover the augmented reality, how the things would look like on the physical environment. So your physical environment is real. The things are not real. It will give you the feel how it will look like. So implementing your virtual reality and augmented reality, it will take our websites even more interactive and rich. Here I have given some more examples for virtual reality and the AR, augmented reality. Here you can see these people are real people. This is the shot in the Robo movie. Here these people are real, but this is virtual reality. But how this person will be interacting with them, this person is not here, but virtually the person is here, and he will be interacting whatever the queries and questions they are answering. That type of interaction is only virtual reality will give you the feel. The other side, if you take it AR, augmented reality, only the things will be on the physical environment. So this is real, but the shoe is on the this one on the legs. It is augmented reality feature. I told you the snapshot example. Here you can see this dog is real, but the glasses are on top of the real person. Here also the same thing. This dog is the real, this lady is the real, but these things are on the physical environment. That is augmented reality. These two areas will help our web applications to make it uh, very interactive. Here you can see AR implemented in the websites like Flipkart, Amazon, online feature. I told you this AR, this is the previous slide. I want to give you the example. Normal websites, take it Amazon or any products, whatever you are buying, you want to try it out, but it is not possible to make a trial your any dresses, whatever you are buying, and any thing whatever you are buying, how to try it out. It is not possible to go to the shop and take the product and apply it and try. But through the online commerce websites, this websites will give you the provision to try it out virtually with the help of AR. The very good feature of augmented reality, we can feel it. In Flipkart, you would like to buy a sofa in your house, in a hall, you want to try it out in a corner, definitely you can do it. That will give you the great feel how the product will be. You can see that you can keep change the product and select the good one which is more applicable for you. The same manner, any products whatever you want to buy, you can go to the website and experience it. Then you can try it out, and then you can take a decision. That is helps you the consumers. Then when we are coming to our web pages, you can see the content and the advertisement, how gradually it has evolved. That is the evolution of the web pages. You can see in 2000, in the year 2000, the advertisement takes only one place. The other areas are the blue in area, that is content. The pink one is the advertisement. So 20 years back, how the websites, only small portion of the website are given to advertise, but the other things are the original content of the website. The same manner, if you take in the 2005, nearly 40 percentage we can say. Then in another 5 years, in 2010, you can see this is 50-50. Advertisement 50%, website content is 50%. The same manner, you come to 2017, content is takes only 20 percentage. The remaining 80 percentage is totally just occupying our advertisements. Here you can see in 2010, the e-commerce websites are used in mobiles also. But in 2017, you can see in laptop, in computers, as well as mobiles, as well as tabs, as well as all the digital devices. You can see the websites, how it has been evolved. It has become nearly commercial websites. It gives you more and more advertisements to attract the users. Any website if you take, how we will consider as a very interactive website, it is based on the numbers. So to take, it is based on the numbers of the visitors, sorry. So if you take the website, web applications in future, uh, the website should be hit by so many number of billions of users, which will give you the websites will give you the advertisements like this. Then in future, what we will not be seeing in our life in future, that is, we won't be seeing this type of web pages like say static web pages. So that is only design, and it is only giving you the information. There is no interaction, and it is giving the colorful. You can see the websites how it was, the colorful websites, without any change. Is not only about adding fresh stuff to the design mix, but about getting rid of stale components in the current design. In the world of web design, where trends can grow rapidly and flame out just as quickly, this is particularly true. This type of web pages, websites won't be available in future. That is the web development, the future of web. So from that old web pages, we have seen into the area of the content, how it will be website content, and which type of websites won't be there. Then how the future web page, how the future website. If you take it into the future website, definitely it will be more involved of AI, VR, AR, and 3D effects. You can see how the different stages of web pages. You can see simple web pages with text and static images only. Here nothing, no interactions will be there. Second category of websites, animated pages with plugins. Definitely the website will be having more animations, more plugins, like that. Then rich internet applications. Whatever, if we don't have Microsoft Word in our laptop, your Google will give you the Google documents to use the same MS Word in your Google Drive. The same and whatever the application, earlier we were using to execute the programs, C programs, Java programs, Python programs, everything. We need the software, we will be installing our software, then we will be doing the program, then we will be executing. But nowadays, not at all, it is not needed at all. Whatever it is online, um, coding and debugging, everything you can do. All the programs, you can design the program, you can run the program online. That much rich internet applications are involved in the websites. So we need not to worry about what not, everything is available in the internet. Then in our website, web applications, how artificial intelligence and chatbot technology will be implemented in our websites. The theory of artificial intelligence, we have discussed a lot. The question is not only about whether the computer can think for itself, can be programmed, but whether we should. Yes, like this, your chatbot will come up, it will ask you, how can I help you, like that. Then there is the another mode. It's a voice interface technology. This also will be implemented in your web applications, in your websites. Voice interfaces are likely to be embraced over the next 5 years as consumers accept a more realistic conversational approach to the communicating with sites. The websites will be having the conversational approach. It is not only one to one, or I'm giving the query and your system will reply. It will not be like that. It will be a conversation, like your Siri, Alexa, how it is working. In the same manner, in future, all the websites will be having your voice interface technology. It will help you in a conversational approach. uh, Augmented reality web design, web applications. We have seen the previous slide. uh, Here you can see a on a chatbot. Definitely it will be in your web application, we cannot change it. The second is voice interface technology. Definitely it will be the part of our web application. Then the third one, that is AR, augmented reality web design. Definitely this also will be in a website, in web application. This also will be a part of it. This is where stuff gets really interesting, where when augmented reality is implemented. Thanks to devices such as Oculus Rift and HTC, virtual reality has become common phenomenon. At virtual reality would probably bring about the greatest improvements when it comes to future of web trends. This is more important, like your voice and chatbot, your AR and your VR definitely will be the part of the web applications. uh, to get experienced all this, these are all the components are very important. First, basic, the infrastructure. Without this infrastructure, the other things, it will not happen. If we take infrastructure, we should have 5G, Wi-Fi, cloud, 7nm GPUs, materials, everything. So basic, these are all the real important things. Then how this technology will reach the users, this we have to experience. The end user should experience whatever this games, social, exports, theater, shopping, whatever the end users, how it will reach from this to this. We should have the interface. What is this human interface? Our mobile is the main interface. Smart glasses, wearables, haptic, gestures, voice, and neural. These are all the things which will help the end users to get the feel of our AR, VR, voice interface, everything. Then decentralization. Definitely we cannot achieve directly to this. So decentralization, these techniques. What are all these techniques? Here only our AI takes very important role, very vital role here. Edge computing, AI agents, microservices, and blockchain. Blockchain is again a booming area in our IT industry. So this technologies will help us to reach this experience. Then spatial computing. This spatial computing, we have for this we have 3D engines, VR, AR, XR, multitasking, UI, geospatial mapping. Earlier, this geospatial mapping, if you see, if we earlier websites, It was not GPS imbibed. One small example I would like to tell you. Earlier, if you hit a website, wherever the website, the original website is launched, the same manner, all over the world, the same website will be, like McDonald's website or any website. But nowadays, whenever you hit the website, it will ask you, did you allow to detect the location? Why? Because if you take our Amazon dot in, that is in India, Amazon dot in will work. Amazon.com will work in USA. So to know where the website is being used, so geo tagged, geo spatial mapping, where the website is used, accordingly that particular website will be uh, coming to your web page. That is geospatial mapping. But this facility weren't available earlier. That is a very important feature what we are enjoying now. Then creator economy. Creator economy, whoever the developers are, design tools, asset markets, workflow, commerce, whatever we have designed, these things comes under creator economy. Then discovery. Discovery here, your advertisements networks, your social platforms, curation, ratings, stores, and agents. These things will help you for the end users to experience this. So finally, our games, our social media, sports, and the theater or shopping, and the online e-commerce websites, everything, these are all the modules will help us in a greater way to make our websites rich. For basic infrastructure should be available for all the uh, end users to experience this. Next, yes, this is the last slide. I would like to tell you, is AI going to be the future of web development? Definitely, dear participants. I will answer it definitely. It is yes. Why? Because our artificial intelligence, definitely it will make a very big change in our web development. Makes search faster. In what way? I have listed out the points here. It will make search faster, our with relevant results. That is the first point. Whatever we want to do, immediately we are searching in the website. It will make even more faster with relevant results. Then makes interactions with visitors better. This is very important point. Why? Because the interaction with the any web page, the visitor should get the best interaction session, to whether it is voice or message, or with the help of VR interaction session, whatever it is, it will be greater in future. Then provide more relevant customer experience. Customers experience, for any company, we will tell customers are very important. So whatever the customers need, it will provide relevant customer experience with the help of AI. Without that, it is less. The experience is less and the result is less. Then provide a personalized store experience. This is very important in future. The online websites, where how you are going to experience, like how you are going inside the mall and picking the items to your cart. The same manner, just log into the website, pick your items, try it out, the size, the color, everything, then put it in your bag. In the same manner, your future websites will be. That is the ultimate feel that it will give you with the help of AI. Then effective marketing to targeted consumers. By this uh, feature, your target participants will be so good. The target or consumers, you can reach by the dynamic website, you can reach 10,000 consumers. But by this AI imbibe, you can reach very good number of effective marketing. Your digital marketing and all will take over by AI. There is no doubt about it. So the targeted consumers will be in billions. Based on that, the business will grow like anything. Then understands user behavior and consumer orientation. Not only the user's behavior, it will give you the consumer also, will give you consumers will be given orientation. Before that, anything definitely you can feel it with the help of your artificial intelligence. In the future web applications, you cannot avoid. It takes it goes greater. It will be a very good feel if you experience it. Thank you. Thank you, all the participants. Thank you, coordinators of Nitya College. Dear participants, any doubt, any questions?
Thank you, ma'am. And
Thank you, sir.
uh, we request the participants if any questions they can place it in the chat box. Uh, Ma'am, we have one question.
Yes, sir.
The task of robots in surgery or operations.
Definitely. Yes, yes. Yes.
What is the task of robots in surgery or operations?
Sir, I will tell you already the uh, research is going on uh, with less human element in the surgeries, because human has emotions. uh, though whatever doctor is doing surgery, they will be having emotions. But when the robots take over the surgeries, not only surgeries, before doing the operation, the whole detail, what is the pre surgery details, that will be given to the robots uh, in a very well mannered. So than the human being, robots will remember all the, it is programmed, so in the memory it will be there, all the details of the patient. So it will be even more good. For example, I would like to tell you, earlier, if you see to spectacles, we used to be tested by the doctor. They will measure your eyesight distance, which glass, which point, that and all should be given to the patients. But nowadays, you can see it is given by the computer, because it will be more accurate. So definitely in future also, than the human surgeries, robots will take over that. Definitely it will help the doctors in to the surgeons. In that way, it will be the very good improvement.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, we have one more question from
Yes, sir.
Navya Shah.
Ah, yes, sir.
Can ChatGPT replace Google?
Sorry.
Can ChatGPT replace Google?
In future, we have to wait and see. But chatbot is the very vital role. Definitely, it may replace. Definitely, we have to wait and see. AI
Yes, ma'am.
imbibed, whoever is taking over the market, definitely it will go on, sir. So we don't know. Google and all will be
Uh,
in place, or we don't know. Or Google also may take over your AI technology.
yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, we have one more question.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you give some information about Angular platform?
Sir, this is one of the area, still research is going on. It will
Yes, ma'am.
help. It will help uh, to create our web applications in a very better way. Lots of algorithms are made in this. Um, it will be under research, sir. It will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
And thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
information. And we request the participants, we will be sharing the feedback form in the WhatsApp group. So kindly fill up the feedback form for today's session. And the session was very informative, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable
Thank you,
time.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And we also thank all the participants. We request the participants to kindly switch on the videos to take a picture for the report. Kindly switch on the videos so that we can take a snapshot for the report. And that's it's done. Okay. Dear participants, kindly fill up the feedback form. The feedback form will be shared soon. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your time being. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Dear participants, uh, the session is going to end now. Kindly fill up the feedback form. The feedback form will be shared soon. And thank you one and all for participating. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.